Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. This is Deepthi from Transform. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Being a fashion enthusiast, from today I'm going to start a sustainable fashion series along with the upcycling and decor transformations. In this series, I'll discuss about some of the transformation restoration projects which were executed by me. Do you know that the fast fashion is bad for the environment and the society? Now you will ask, what is fast fashion? Fast fashion is constantly buying new and cheap clothes. It encourages overconsumption and waste. It's like fast food that has an impact on your body. The same way, fast fashion has a bad effect on the environment. There are many ways to get rid of fast fashion. If you are passionate about environment, choose clothes made with organic or recycled fabric and locally made items.
Many brands are already making apparels from recycled fabric.
Create a capsule wardrobe, that means select limited number of garments which you like to wear most often and minimizing the need of buying new clothes.
Like wearing one jeans with different tops and accessories.
Don't give up on clothes you already wear. Wear them for long. If you don't want to repeat them in a function or an event, tweak them and then wear them again. I prefer going with this option. So, let's get some ideas on how to restore or transform your old skirts.
This was a wraparound skirt of a mother. She wanted something for her daughter. As she wanted something contemporary in style, so I ended up designing a halter neck backless dress. She really loved wearing this dress. This was an old lehenga choli of a mother. It didn't fit her anymore, so she wanted to make one for her daughter. Firstly, we created a skirt with an elasticated waist and a border at the bottom of the same fabric as that of the top with the lace. For the top, we bought a new brocade fabric in contrast to the skirt color and designed it with laces and embellishment. For dupatta, I chose net and got that dyed in the same color as that of the skirt with a border and lace all around. Isn't she looking nice? This skirt of a little girl was now tight for her. Her mother wanted to make this fit her again. She had this net fabric with her, from which we created a sleeveless peplum top. To make the skirt fit her again, we added the net fabric as a panel at the front, and to increase the length, gave a frill at the bottom. Dupatta was made with leftover fabric from the top and the skirt, added some laces, and tada, the skirt is ready to wear again. This is again a mom's cotton skirt. She got bored wearing it again and again. She came to me for the restoration. I suggested to add a contrast color and make a single piece to give it a totally different look. A green colored fabric was attached as a yoke, created a zigzag pattern on it, and embellished with a beautiful lace. See, she is looking so pretty wearing a totally transformed dress out of her mother's old skirt. This lehenga choli was of a 4-year-old girl. She wore it many times and then she outgrown the size of the skirt. Look at her in this picture. When I bought the fabric, I had the complete fabric with the border. At that time, I got it stitched without this border and kept it safe with me for future extension. To increase the length of the skirt, attach this leftover border under the already existing border. Now, the top was too tight for her, so bought a new fabric and got that stitch with laces and a simple design. Tada! The dress is ready. Chose a net fabric for dupatta, got that dyed in double shade and finished with borders. See how beautiful she is looking in this restored lehenga. This is a mom's bandhni skirt which she wore many times and did not want to discard it. Now she wanted a one-piece dress for her little one. I designed giving it a modern touch with these tied up strings and a traditional style with these tassels and some lace work. Bandhani itself is a traditional art form, so it goes very well with this style. Look at her, how cute she is looking in this dress. This was again a silk bandhani skirt of a lady who wanted a skirt and a top for her daughter. Firstly, a skirt was stitched out of this with an elasticated waist, as it was for a kid. For the top, a contrast color fabric was bought and designed a halter neck crop top with stone embellishments and laces. Gave these strings at the back and created these tassels myself from the leftover fabric from skirt. I still had some leftover fabric from the skirt, so thought of creating this asymmetric small dupatta for her. There can be some more ways to restore your skirts. Let's see. You can get a palazzo created out of it, or a pair of smart culottes. If you don't want to change much and save money, can get an asymmetric skirt with a shorter length than before. You can also get a frilly top like this from your old skirt. An off-shoulder top from an old skirt is also a good option, or maybe a cape like this.
We don't need to be wasteful. We just need to be creative and considerate. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for more such kind of transformations. Stay safe and stay healthy. Till then, bye bye.